és una dansa i percussions corporals. La cançó es diu Xaxa. Ai, no, soc diferent.
No passa.
I la dansa es diu Xaxa. I ara us farem una mostra del que hem après durant el curs.
Überall, aller Orten, von der Hohe, wo ich so König mit der
Ziege, größte jede springt am Ziegel, und die Striegel, oder Zocken von den beiden Hinterglocken.
Children from first and second grade are going to show you one play. This is the story of the Gruffalo. It's very funny. We have done Okay, time to start.
What's a lovely excursion? Oh yes, this food is wonderful. What can we do? I know. Let's sing Two Little Dicky Birds. Oh yes. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, Come back, Peter, come back home. That's very funny. Oh, look. Hello. Hello. My name is Julia. My name is Julia. And my name is Julia. Do you want to listen to a story? Yes! Yes. Once upon a time, there was a little mouse. It was going for a walk straight to the deep dark wood. Fox, says the mouse, and the mouse looks good. Where are you going to, little round mouse? Come, the first lights on the rock. You are so kind, Fox, right? I know it's a fast light in the Gruffalo. A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo? A Gruffalo, when you know, it has terrible tongue and terrible clothes, and terrible feet and terrible nose. Where are you meeting him? Here by the mountain. His favorite food is roasted fox. Roasted fox? I know, Fox says. Goodbye, little mouse, and he runs away. Silly old fox. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. The mouse continued looking to the deep dark wood. I now walk, says the mouse, and the mouse looks good. Where are you going to, little brown mouse? Come and have tea in my jig-up house. You are so not agony, but no. I'm going to have tea a waffle. Waffle was a waffle. A waffle, you know, it has never lived in clothes and chores. And poisonous words and then of his nose. Where are you putting him? Here by the stream, and he put our ice cream. Our ice cream. Woot woo! Who's right, little mouse? Bingo! City or owl? He doesn't know an active and waffle. The mouse continued walking through the deep dark wood, and the snake sees the mouse, and the mouse looks good. Where are you going to, little round mouse? Come. Come for a fix in my lockpie house. You are so wonderful. But no, I have no fish with a Gruffalo. What's a Gruffalo? Don't you know? He has orange. He has Goodbye, little mouse. And the snake slide away. He doesn't silly old snake. He doesn't exist a gravel. Oh! Mouse doesn't exist a gravel. But who is this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth with his terrible jaws? Nobody missed and chose, and the poisonous was at the end of his nose. Sails are orange, his tongue is black, his purple is all over his back. My favorite. Oh, help! Oh no! It's a buffalo. My favorite food! says the buffalo. You go and guess and well. Good. Don't tell me good. I'm the scariest creature in this world. Just go behind me and you will see. Everyone is afraid of me. Ha ha ha. All right, says the buffalo laughing. Okay, fine. I will follow Asta and I will. They walk a lot and the buffalo say. And I will and I see close and I list ahead. It's just snake. It's the mouth. Oh, crap! Hello, snake. The snake look at the buffalo. Oh, crap! She says. Goodbye, little mouse. And he glides to his house. You see, says the mouse. I told you so. Lazy, says the buffalo. They both eat the buffalo said. I hear a hoot. And what is ahead? It's an owl, says the mouse. Hello, owl. The owl look at the buffalo. Oh dear, he says. Goodbye, little mouse. And he flies to his trees of house. You see, says the mouse. I told you so. Astounding, says the buffalo. They both eat the buffalo's egg. It's a fox, says the mouse. Hello, fox. The fox look at the buffalo. Oh, help, he says. Goodbye, mouse. And he runs to his house. Well, buffalo, he says. I thought, you see, see, everyone is afraid of me. But now my tummy is beginning to rumble, and my favorite food is buffalo gumballs. Buffalo gumballs? Says the buffalo. And he runs away as fast as the wind. The mouse is the moon and the nut is blue. And that's all.
It's not finished yet. These children are very happy and they want to sing the Gruffalo song with you. Do you mind if we give you the song to sing? Yeah? You will try it, yes? Okay, that's good.
Compartimos. No, hombre, no, cuenta. ¿Tú la vas a cantar? Canta tú.
Now, okay. the name of a magic monster.
Magic